Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AJAY SHARMA. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss section 20 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956, which deals with the maintenance of children and aged parents. Section 20, Maintenance of Children and Aged Parents. Myself, AJAY SHARMA, and on this channel, I will explain law topics in a clear and easy way so that you can easily learn. So if you are new on this channel, so hit the like and please subscribe for more useful videos. Let's read out through the barrack firstly, as usual. Maintenance of children and aged parents. Subject to the provisions of this section, a Hindu is bound during his or her lifetime to maintain his or her legitimate or illegitimate children and his or her aged or infirm parents. इनफिर्म पेरेंट्स वो होते हैं जो अपना ख्याल नहीं रख सकते या फिर बुढ़ापे में या फिर बीमारी से किसी बीमारी वगैरह से ग्रस्त हों, उन्हें इनफिर्म पेरेंट्स बोला जाता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सेक्शन, अ हिंदू हैज़ ए ड्यूटी टू मेंटेन द टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल. फर्स्ट, हिज और हर चिल्ड्रन, आइदर लेजिटिमेट और इलेजिटिमेट, एंड सेकेंड, हिज और हर एज्ड और इनफिर्म पेरेंट्स. बेसिकली फादर और मदर मस्ट मेंटेन देयर चिल्ड्रन ड्यूरिंग देयर लाइफ टाइम, and this includes the both legitimate and illegitimate children. And a child can ask for maintenance from parents, father or mother, but only till the child is a minor. Section 20 clause 3. The obligation of a person to maintain his or her aged or infirm parent or a daughter who is unmarried extend insofar as the parent or the unmarried daughter, as the case may be, is unable to maintain himself or herself out of his or her own earnings or other property. A person must also maintain their aged or infirm parents and also the unmarried daughter, but this duty applies only if the parent or daughter cannot maintain themselves from their own income or property. The condition is basically that. Explanation. In this section, parents include a childless stepmother. So in this section, the parent would also include the childless stepmother. This is very important. Section 20 clause 3. For example, if a father has an unmarried daughter and who has no income, he must take care of her. Similarly, if parents are old and weak and cannot maintain themselves, the child must be support them and is duty to maintain take care of the parents. So I will give you a quick recap of this video. Firstly, children, legitimate or illegitimate, must be maintained. Second, minor children can claim maintenance from parents. Third, aged parents and unmarried daughters must also be maintained if they cannot support themselves. Fourth, parent also include a childless stepmother. Did you understand this concept? If yes, then type clear in the comment below. If you still have a doubt, ask me in the comments. I reply to your question personally. Okay, that's all about the section 20 of Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more legal updates and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.